We finally get Alfredo Hoyos, one of my good friends and world expert in high definition body contouring, to be in Los Angeles. Welcome. Bienvenidos.
In Los Angeles.
Yes, I said it correctly. So, RF technology, especially quantum, which is available now, is unbelievably powerful. But it's important for people like you and I to teach how to do it safely, effectively, because you can maximize it for the face, the neck, the entire body, really. I've even done it in the upper pole of the breast to try to see if we can get a little nipple areola elevation. So that safety profile and the effectiveness and power of it is the genius behind it. Alfredo's kind of been instrumental in that. And educating people in a conference like this is really the key to getting the most you can out of it.
One of the features about the quantum itself is that it's very fast, very efficient, but the profile in terms of safety is also very good. So we can go a little bit further and fills out this gap that we had between having a technology that is powerful enough, but we are like in the edge of being like painful and dangerous, or having something that is milder but don't have the effect that we want. So with quantum, we fill that gap. We can have
It's a
something
perfect balance.
Yeah, it's the balance that is there. So Ashkan, I have seen wonderful results of yours, and I think, how long have you been working with the quantum?
Over 2 years now.
2 years now. Because one of the things that I always learn about him is that every single time that he shows something, he always showed the little recipe, that he has there, the spices that he adds.
Secretos.
The secretos, yeah. And he adds, what I saw today was a very interesting combination with fat grafting, with combination of technologies. And I have seen results that you show, especially in the face, that literally look like a facelift.
Yeah.
And they are not facelift. Tell me a little bit more about it.
Yeah, I mean, so we're not elevating all the flap of the neck anymore. You can do just a little elevation here, a little here, and not elevate here, and not elevate here. And even if you do elevate, prior to elevation, if you just put a little bit of energy, not a lot, I know that when I finish my surgery and I suture things back up, that it's going to stick good. Because once your hemostatic net, if you use a hemostatic net, is finished working and you take them out, you're relying on that person's genetic ability to skin retract. And if I can optimize that by instilling energy into it, then you get that definition of their jawline and a little bit of the lower third of the face to pull just that little extra. Even if you get 10 to 25% of that retraction, in addition to the deep mass elevation, the platysmal movement of the muscle, you're going to basically finish the job as best as you can. You optimize the entire lifting process.
How about you? You told me that you're switching a little bit in combining the technology with the facelift.
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to happen more and more over time?
It depends. There's certain areas where I think you really need an effective lift. So I'm a big proponent of doing a high SMAS where I go under the SMAS high above the zygomatic arch, which most people don't. Most people do a deep plane about here, but then you're missing malar cheek elevation. When you're above something, by definition, you can lift it. So I don't think this will help or change the vector and entry point to elevate the cheek fat, but it can help in areas like the nasolabial fold, the commissure, the areas that we've always failed a little bit in facelifting that recur fast, or some of the webbing you get here. So these recurrent areas, even in the best neck facelift techniques, those areas you can bridge the gap by using something like quantum or Morpheus at the right setting and right depth, and lipofilling. Lipofilling combined with the tautness.
Let me tell you about this. I need to see a book about this, because,
I don't have time, Alfredo.
He thinks I have seen today with this guy here is that I see the results of before and after. It's like literally looks like a mother and daughter. I like crazy.
Thank you.
So I think it's based on this, I always learn a lot when I come to these meetings. I meet this guy here. And we can combine technology with techniques and make the best result that you can ever get. It's amazing how have you pushed the envelope in this combination.
Thank you. Muchas gracias. Means a lot coming from you, Alfredo. Thank you.
Thanks.
Welcome to LA.